Directions to the Alligator Tour in Sea Pines Forest Preserve. Enter Sea Pines Ocean Gate on South Forest Beach Drive and Codillo Parkway. Proceed to the guard gate. Tell the guard you're visiting the Forest Preserve for the Alligator Tour. You will be given a map and written directions to the Alligator boat.
Hi, how are you? To get to the Forest Preserve, go down, take your second right, Lawton Drive, then follow the red dotted line on the map.
Thank you, sir.
You have a good day now. Enjoy.
Follow the red dotted line on the map to the Forest Preserve. Once through the guard gate, take your second right. This will be Lawton Drive. After making a right turn onto Lawton Drive, you will pass the school and take your third right at Lawton Canal Road. Make a right, then a quick left on Lawton Canal Road. You will see the sign to the Forest Preserve. Proceed a quarter of a mile to the Forest Preserve gate. The lagoon should now be on your left. Continue on Lawton Canal Road through the gate. You will be passing the maintenance area, then you will see the entrance sign to the Forest Preserve on the right. You now will be making a right into the Forest Preserve. Follow the dirt road through the trees. Lake Joe will soon be on your right. You will see Fish Island picnic area across the lake, passing the wooden bridge. Make a right in front of the wildflower field. A sign points to the Alligator Boat Tour. Continue driving around Lake Joe. You will eventually see the alligator boat, the pavilion, and the parking area. We hope you enjoy your alligator tour, and thank you for choosing H2O Sports.